Face coal does not belong to raw coal. Raw coal refers to coal from a mine that has not been washed and processed. Face coal is coal that exists in powder form. Coal face ball pressing machine, reasonable structure, smooth operation, low energy consumption, vulnerable parts, roller selection of high-quality chromium alloy steel forgings after strict heat treatment, and fine machining with high-strength performance and easy to take off the ball. The main structure has the transmission system, main frame, reducer, belt conveyor, the preloading device, the corresponding position of the ball groove of the roller sleeve, the hydraulic system and electronic control system are composed of several parts. Surface coal ball pressing machine adopts screw feeding device. Screw feeding device is driven by the speed regulating motor, driven by the pulley reducer. The material is forced into the feed port. Surface coal ball pressing machine has protection device. Not only can protect the normal operation of the machine, also can protect the machine operator.